Hey yo unicorns, welcome to the Z world. In this video I am going to do the makeover of my friend inspired by Cinderella. So keep on watching. The first step is cleansing the skin. Here I am using a milk cleanser, applying this on all over her face and then wiping it all off, making sure that there is no residue of the cleanser left. Second step is toning. Third, I am applying a serum. This is a hyaluronic acid serum. I am applying this on all over her face so that her skin is hydrated. And the step is moisturizing the skin. I am using Embryoli's moisturizer. I've prepped the skin for the makeup. Now let's move on to doing the makeup. Firstly, I will do the eyes. So let's just conceal her eyes. Okay, so now I'm applying a cream based eyeshadow product. For that I am using Makeup Forever Flash palette here, creating a sort of smoky eye. So I am using this dark purple shade and applying this roughly closer to her lash line and slowly moving upwards. Now let's just blend this. With a fluffy brush. Blend the harsh lines that we just created. And then to set it, I will use a powder eyeshadow. I've taken a neutral shade, brown, to set this purple cream eyeshadow base, and we'll blend this upward and outwards. This is a very easy and quick eyeshadow if you wanna try. Then in the inner part of the eyelids, I am applying this shimmer shade with my fingertip. And now I am using a dark brown or black shade closer to her lash line to give that smudge smoky eyeliner. And to intensify this eyeliner, I will apply a liquid eyeliner which is black in color. I will not create a wing here. Tight lining her eyes, and then I will apply some mascara. And we are done with the eyes. Let's just move on to her base. Let's apply primer first. And here I am neutralizing her whole face with one shade darker foundation. Her skin doesn't need any correction, so I'm not using any corrector here, but neutralizing her whole face, making sure her whole face is covered with this neutralizing color. And then I will blend this with a dual fiber brush. To blend this, I will use the stippling technique. I will not drag the foundation and remove all the layers that I have created right now. So using the stippling technique, I like to do the face mapping because that takes less product and creates a very smooth and natural looking base. Now here I am applying a lighter shade of foundation under her eyes, onto the bridge of her nose, onto the tip of her nose, onto her chin and the center part of her forehead. To blend this all, I will use a small blender, and then I will move on to applying the cream product first. Do watch my other videos and show some love. I've shown all the product that I've used in those videos. Now I will not set her face with the powder because I will use all the cream product first, then set them with the powder products. After that, I will set her whole face with the compact powder, nice and smooth, some powder blush and highlighter. Then moving on to set her eyebrows. Here you can see the difference. And now I'm doing her lips. First outlining her lips and then filling it in with the lipstick. Her eyes are already bold, so I will not use any bold color onto the lips. I will keep the lips muted. Some mascara onto her lower lash line, and then I am done with the makeup. Let's move on to doing her hair. I will give her a messy bun. And the front area of her hair will look something like this. And we are done. Let me know how you like it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification next to it. I upload these kinds of makeup tutorials once a week on Sunday. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.